Sir, alam mo dito.
Nag-aano siya. Nag-aano siya.
Baby octopus. Ano kuha niyo? Baby octopus. Oh! Dali, magkano? Wala, natakot siya. Tara, ipakita tayo tataboy. Dito siya.
Happy picture.
Lagay mo dito, kuya. Why? Because the seawater is our swimming pool, not a garbage bin. We have a garbage bin on the boat, in the middle, or you can put in the chair. Okay? Third, don't step or stand on the corals while you snorkeling. Because sometimes they have a marine species that can poison you or can hurt you. Like sea urchins, crown of terns. The crown of terns is